of delivery
Bring
men
the tops.
versus used car lot employees. Who would you choose?
Okay,
Instead of the
Razor.
delivery guy getting fired, the internet got fired up.
You okay,
Same
girl?
thing
Oh,
how they figured
take
that
that
delivery man. It all started when
Okay.
Jared Tansey from Palace Pizza
So congested.
delivered an order to F&R Auto Center in Westport, Massachusetts. So follow me. The total pizza bill was $42. The used car employees chipped in and gave Jared the delivery guy $50. Two 20s and two 5s.
Okay.
$7 left over. Jared leaves with a 50. There's disagreement about whether he said anything about keeping
You okay,
the change
Razor?
before he
Yes.
took off. The car lot people complained. Palace Pizza's manager, Jared